Okay, so your dad gave me this sample problem. So we're working on equations with rational expressions, and we want to solve them. Okay, so yeah, I've actually done a number of these before. So the idea here, and this might be different from how your teacher is teaching you, and that would be fine because there are so many ways to solve an equation. For me, what I'd really like is to get rid of the denominator. Okay, so when you get rid of the denominator, you can get the LCM and multiply the whole thing. Well, you can do that or not. It really is so many ways to do this. So right now I have two denominators, 3 and 11. So LCM here is 33, right? So the smallest number that can be divided by 3 and 11. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this with 33. So this is assuming that you figured out that it's 33. And so we will solve this again. What if you don't know what's the LCM, right? Okay, so I'm gonna multiply the whole equation, each one of these terms with 33, okay? So now I do 33. So remember when you divide, you multiply with a fraction, you divide it with the denominator, multiply with the numerator. So 33 divided by 3, that's 11, times negative 2, you have negative 22 here. Now let's multiply 33 with 5 over 11. So I'm going to do 33 divided by 11, that's 3. And then multiply it with the numerator, which is 5. So 33 divided by 11 is 3, times 5 is 15. So plus 15. And then 33 times x, you have 33x. Okay, so now this is just a simple equation. Just simplify the equation. So negative 22 plus 15 is negative 7 equals 33x. Solving for x, you divide by 33. So therefore, your x is equal to negative 7 over 33. Okay, so that's one way to solve that. Now, let's do it a different way. What if you don't know what is the LCM? Like you cannot figure out what is the LCM here. In this case, this is let me get the color here. So in this case, this is 33. Now let's rewrite the problem one more time. Plus 5 over 11 equals x. So you don't know what's the LCM. Well, what I'm going to do is just going to pick one of the denominators, which is 3. Okay, so I'm going to multiply it with first with 3. So each of these one, I'm going to multiply by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1 times negative 2. That's negative 2. Now I'm gonna multiply 3 with this other fraction. 3 divided by 11, I can't really do that, so I will not divide it just yet. So I'm just gonna multiply the whole thing. 3 times 5 is 15, and then divided by 11. So now you have 15 over 11 equals 3 times x, which is 3x. So now this is a little bit better because you only have one denominator. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to multiply it again with another denominator. So what I'm doing is getting rid of the denominator one at a time. Okay, so now I'm going to do that. I'm going to multiply that. So I'm going to have negative 22. I'm going to multiply this 11 divided by 11. I can definitely divide that. 1 times 15. So you have 15 equals 33x, which you notice is the same as this part right here, right? So negative 7 equals 33x divided by 33, you have that. So therefore, x equals negative 7 over 33. So if you notice, they would have the same answer. This one, the second solution, is a little bit longer, but it's okay because it's still just as easy, right? Okay, so let me know if you have more questions like this, let me know, and I'm gonna send you a video.